Welcome to the cutting-edge realm of artificial intelligence, where innovation knows no bounds. In this exploration of the top 5 powerful AI technologies, we delve into the transformative landscape that is reshaping industries and redefining human-machine interactions. From machine learning algorithms that decipher complex patterns to natural language processing systems that understand and generate human-like text, the journey unfolds with breakthroughs in computer vision, robotic process automation, and neural networks. Join us on this captivating voyage through the forefront of AI, where advancements are not just changing the game but revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with technology. AlphaGo. AlphaGo is an AI developed by DeepMind, a subsidiary company of Alphabet Incorporated. AlphaGo took its place in magazines and news in 2016, beating the world's most intelligent Go player, Lee Sedol, in a 5-game match. Go is a kind of ancient Chinese board game that has simple rules but is incredibly complex and cannot be played without human intuition. The game has an enormous number of moves to make the game more complex and really hard or just impossible for a machine to learn, as many scientists thought at that time. But AlphaGo developed a human-level intuition and is able to play the game more creatively than anyone ever played. This is possible by a method of training machine learning models known as deep reinforcement learning. The model is trained over a large corpus of human Go games and fine-tuned using reinforcement learning, learning through trial and error method. The victory of AlphaGo over Lee Sedol was a great moment in the history of artificial intelligence and machine learning. The researchers at DeepMind claim that their AI is general purpose, meaning that it can do a lot more than just play Go. As a result, engineers used it to regulate the cooling systems in Google data centers and also used to solve other kinds of problems like protein folding, etc. Watson. Watson is an AI system developed by IBM. It was initially developed as a chatbot that can answer questions, built on top of advanced natural language processing and neural networks. Later, IBM put Watson to the test against humans in America's popular quiz game show named Jeopardy! Interestingly, Watson beat the champions of the game and won a prize worth $1 million. In recent years, Watson is more capable, so IBM engineers use it to build a lot of tools and applications like customer service, chatbots, virtual assistants, recommender systems, etc. Moreover, Watson also performs well in healthcare applications, as it can even predict the possibility of skin cancers by just seeing the image of a person. It is able to detect various kinds of diseases like cancers, cardiovascular disease, heart disease, etc., with greater accuracy and also recommends medication. These abilities of Watson are utilized by a lot of health centers and hospitals all across the world. With the rise in computational power and resources today, Watson AI has become extremely powerful, capable of performing tasks once limited to humans such as sight, hearing, speech, and learning. Sophia. Created by Hanson Robotics, Sophia is not only a formidable AI but also a humanoid robot, designed to mimic human appearance and behavior. Sophia is developed to interact with humans using facial expressions, gestures, and through natural language processing. Sophia is a robot occupied with the most advanced AI features, including speech recognition, natural language processing, speech synthesis, robot facial expressions, gesture controls, and emotion simulation. Moreover, Sophia is highly sociable and is really good at communicating with people. Many people who have done conversations with Sophia gave positive feedback and tell that she is really great at holding conversations at a human level. Another great capability Sophia possesses is the ability to learn new things through experience and adapt to new situations. Well, she has access to the internet, which provides a lot of resources to learn new things every time. Sophia has gained widespread attention, appearing in numerous magazines and media outlets, due to her human-like features. In October 2017, she made history as the first robot to ever receive citizenship, when she was granted citizenship by Saudi Arabia. Tesla. Tesla Inc. is one of the leading companies in the electric automobile industry. The company's aim is to build electric vehicles like cars, trucks, etc., with adding technology. Apart from manufacturing electric cars, they are also interested in artificial intelligence and incorporating all its possibilities into their vehicles for better driving experiences. As a result, they developed Tesla Autopilot, which is very popular. Tesla Autopilot is a complex AI system that is able to control the vehicle using cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and GPS. With autopilot engaged, the vehicle can automatically steer, accelerate, and brake. It can drive, park, and reverse the vehicle entirely by itself by looking at the situations around on the road. Another interesting fact is that this AI can detect accidents with around 90 to 95% of accuracy, reducing accidents significantly. Tesla Autopilot uses advanced AI technologies like computer vision, deep learning, sensor fusion, and motion planning, and uses deep reinforcement learning for learning through experience over time. As a matter of fact, Tesla Autopilot is continuously learning and improving its capabilities through reinforcement learning for making good decisions on the road far better than humans. Atlas. Atlas, released by Boston Dynamics in 2001, is perhaps the most dynamic bipedal robot in the world. Through the use of AI, Atlas can perceive its environment in real time, navigating through obstacles with a high level of mobility as if it's practicing parkour. The robot was initially developed for the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency's Robotics Challenge. This competition aimed to accelerate the development of robots that might be able to assist in responding to natural or man-made disasters. This robot uses a high-power custom battery and hydraulic systems to power its movement, while advanced control algorithms help it plan its movements. The original model was 6.2 and weighed 330 pounds.